Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled red cabbage. Prepare a head of red cabbage, vinegar, sugar, salt, and spices, and slice thinly. Start by shredding the cabbage and measuring vinegar to cover, then add 1 to 2 tablespoons sugar and a teaspoon of salt. Pack into jars, press down to remove air pockets, and refrigerate or let ferment at room temperature to develop flavor. Start with clean jars and thinly sliced cabbage to ensure consistent pickling. Heat a brine of vinegar, water, sugar, and salt until dissolved, then cool slightly before pouring over cabbage. Press the cabbage firmly to eliminate air pockets and ensure brine covers everything. Then seal jars and chill for quick pickles, or let sit at room temperature to ferment slowly for complex tangy notes and richer texture. Taste as you go to balance sweetness and acidity. Small tweaks change the final flavor dramatically. Experiment with additions like apple slices, orange zest, or jalapeno to personalize heat and fruitiness. Keep refrigerated pickles for up to 3 months, while fermented jars can age longer and develop deeper umami notes. And always use clean utensils to avoid contamination so your pickles stay bright and safe to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.